Blum, the future of crypto trading, vertical bar, seamless, multi-chain platform for next-gen traders. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into crypto and you love innovation, then you need to hear about Blum, the new crypto trading platform that's about to take the world by storm. So, what exactly is Blum? Blum is a next-gen crypto platform that lets you trade directly from your favorite third-party wallets across multiple blockchain networks. It's designed for traders who want more flexibility and less hassle. No more jumping between apps or platforms. Blum brings everything together in one place. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, Blum makes it super simple and streamlined. This isn't just your average trading platform. It's a powerhouse that works across multiple blockchains, making it easy to trade no matter what network you're on. Here's what makes Blum really stand out. First off, it allows crypto projects to automatically list their tokens for trading. That means projects can get exposure fast, and you, as a trader, get access to a huge range of tokens. And don't worry, Blum's tech performs basic checks on each project's technology, liquidity, and user base, so you know you're trading with confidence. And let's talk about the user experience. Blum is designed with simplicity in mind, so you can easily navigate the app, trade, and manage your assets without any of the usual headaches. It's perfect for beginners, but also powerful enough for experienced traders who need speed and flexibility. Now, a platform is only as strong as the people behind it, and Blum is led by two crypto heavyweights, Gleb Kostarev and Vladimir Smerkis. These guys are no strangers to the crypto world. In fact, they were top executives at Binance in Eastern Europe, the largest digital asset exchange in the world. After leaving Binance, they teamed up to create Blum, and their mission is simple: to build a trading platform that actually works for all users. They know the market, they know the technology, and they know what traders need, so you're in good hands. And speaking of trust, Blum already has a strong track record. Just recently, Blum was selected for Binance Labs' MVB7 Accelerator program, which, if you don't know, is a major endorsement. This 10-week accelerator program is designed to support the top builders and projects in the BNB chain ecosystem. Being part of this prestigious program has given Blum the tools, mentorship, and resources to continue growing and delivering on its promise. This platform is not just an idea, it's proven to be one of the standout startups in the crypto space. And with the backing of Binance Labs, the future is looking incredibly bright. Let's be real. Crypto is growing at an insane rate, especially among Gen Z and millennials. In fact, over 55% of young investors are already in the crypto game, and they're looking for platforms that are fast, flexible, and easy to use. That's where Blum comes in. Blum has been designed specifically to meet the needs of today's crypto traders. Whether you're just getting started or you're already a pro, this platform has everything you need, without the complexity. So, what's next for Blum? Team Blum is gearing up for a major launch very soon, and you can't wait to join this revolutionary platform. Whether you're a casual investor or a seasoned trader, Blum is going to change the way you interact with crypto. We're talking faster trades, more token options, and a seamless experience that's unmatched. Stay tuned, the future of crypto trading is just around the corner. Don't miss out! Be one of the first to experience Blum by signing up today. Check out the links in the description to get early access and join the Blum community. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We've got a ton of exciting news coming up and you won't want to miss it. Blum, where crypto trading becomes seamless and possibilities bloom. See you soon, Blum fam!